Today, I've got something really interesting for you, a head-to-head comparison between two of Launch's most popular budget OBD2 scanners, the CR529 and the Creader 3001. If you've ever been stuck choosing between these two, this video is going to make your life a lot easier. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. Welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day as we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with the brand new OBD2 scanner LAUNCH CR529. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their vehicle in tip-top shape, this is definitely a tool you won't want to miss. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the details of the LAUNCH OBD2 scanner CR529. The LAUNCH OBD2 scanner CR529 is an enhanced universal automotive scan tool that can read and erase diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), retrieve vehicle information (VIN), and perform live data streaming on most OBD-I-compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer. It supports all 10 OBD-I modes, including IM readiness, freeze-frame data, and O2 sensor test. The CR529 also has a built-in DTC lookup feature that can help you decipher the meaning of the codes. The CR529 is a user-friendly tool with a large 2.8-inch color display and clearly arranged navigation buttons. It is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you on the go. Here are the features of the LAUNCH OBD2 scanner CR529. Reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), including generic, manufacturer-specific, and pending codes, turns off the check engine light cell, retrieves vehicle information, such as the VIN, mileage, and engine hours, performs live data streaming of up to 4 data streams at once. Freeze-frame data recording, IM readiness test to check if your vehicle is ready to pass an emissions inspection, DTC lookup to help you interpret the meaning of diagnostic trouble codes, supports all OBD2 protocols, including KWP2000, ISO 9141, J1850 VPU, J1850 PWM, and CAN. Compatible with all OBD2 compliant vehicles manufactured from 1996 and newer, easy to use with a large 2.8-inch color display and clear navigation buttons, lifetime free updates to ensure that you always have the latest diagnostic software. The LAUNCH OBD2 scanner CR529 is a great tool for anyone who wants to diagnose problems with their car. It is easy to use and has a wide range of features. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable OBD2 scanner, the LAUNCH CR529 is a great option. Here are some of the pros and cons of the LAUNCH OBD2 scanner CR529. Pros: affordable, easy to use, supports all 10 OBD-I modes, built-in DTC lookup feature, large color display, lightweight and portable. Cons: not as powerful as some professional-grade scanners, may not be able to diagnose all. Overall, the LAUNCH OBD2 scanner CR529 is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to diagnose a variety of problems with your car. It is a great choice for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts who want to save money on diagnostic fees out there. We're going to dive deep into the LAUNCH Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner, a fantastic tool that can help you diagnose and maintain your vehicle. The LAUNCH Creader 3001 is a powerful and user-friendly OBD2 scanner that can assist you in troubleshooting and fixing issues with your car's engine, transmission, and more. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about its features. 1. Wide vehicle coverage. The LAUNCH Creader 3001 is compatible with most OBD2-compliant vehicles manufactured from 1996 onwards. This means it works with a wide range of car makes and models, making it incredibly versatile. 2. Read and clear codes. It can quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs). Whether it's a check engine light or other warning lights, this scanner will help you pinpoint the issue. 3. Live data stream. The scanner provides real-time data on various engine parameters, such as RPM, engine temperature, and sensor readings. This live data can be crucial for diagnosing intermittent issues. 4. IM readiness status. It checks your vehicle's emissions readiness status, helping you ensure your car is ready for an emissions test or inspection. 5. User-friendly interface. The large LCD screen and straightforward interface make it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate and understand the results. Now, let's see how easy it is to use the LAUNCH Creader 3001. 1. Plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your vehicle and start the diagnostic process. 4. The scanner will display any trouble codes and provide descriptions, making it easier to understand the issue. 5. You can clear codes once the issue is resolved, or simply use it to monitor your vehicle's performance. So, what are the benefits of owning the LAUNCH Creader 3001? 1. Money saving. It helps you avoid costly trips to the mechanic by providing you with valuable diagnostic information. 2. Time saving. Quickly diagnose issues without the need for extensive manual troubleshooting. 3. Peace of mind. Know the health of your vehicle at any time, which is especially helpful for long road trips. 4. DIY friendly. Even if you're not a car expert, this tool can help you understand your car better and potentially fix simple problems yourself. Beyond its basic diagnostic capabilities, the LAUNCH Creader 3001 also offers some advanced features that set it apart. 1. Free lifetime updates. LAUNCH provides free software updates, ensuring your scanner stays up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic codes. This means your investment keeps paying off over time. 2. Built-in DTC lookup library. If you're not familiar with all the trouble codes, no worries. The Creader 3001 has a built-in DTC lookup library that provides detailed explanations for each code, helping you understand the problem better. 3. Multi-language support. The scanner offers multiple language options, making it accessible to a global audience. Let's walk through a real-life scenario where the LAUNCH Creader 3001 can be a game-changer. Imagine you're driving, and suddenly, your check engine light comes on. Instead of panicking or rushing to the mechanic, you can use your LAUNCH Creader 3001. You plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and within seconds, the scanner identifies the issue, a faulty oxygen sensor. The device provides a description of the problem, so you know it's related to your car's emissions system. Armed with this information, you can decide whether it's something you can fix yourself or if it's time to visit the mechanic. After replacing the sensor, you can use the scanner again to clear the trouble code. The check engine light is gone, and you have successfully resolved the issue without expensive shop fees. That's the power of the LAUNCH Creader 3001. It empowers you to take control of your car's health, save money, and drive with confidence. The LAUNCH Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner is your trusted companion on the road to vehicle maintenance and repair. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car owner who wants to understand their vehicle better, this scanner has got you covered. Remember, proper vehicle maintenance not only extends your car's lifespan but also ensures your safety on the road. So, why wait? Get your LAUNCH Creader 3001 OBD2 scanner today and take control of your car's health. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.